Hey guys, how's it going? Here's my 2011 Dodge Ram diesel, the 68 RFE transmission. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about my experience with Mr. Transmission in Peterborough anyway, but a little bit of history of the truck. I bought it just about 2 months ago, and 2 weeks after I bought it, it started coming out of gear whenever you'd slow down. The reason why I bought it was because the transmission had been rebuilt in November of last year, so I figured I was good to go. It was rebuilt by Mr. Transmission in Cambridge. Now, I can't comment too much on that rebuild because I wasn't the owner at the time, but it was rebuilt to stock specs, and the truck is tuned by Anarchy Diesel, and so is the transmission. So I brought the truck to Peterborough Transmission and asked them about it and questioned the warranty that came from Mr. Transmission in Cambridge. They gave the previous owner a 30-day, 3,000 kilometer warranty. Which is pretty hard to believe after spending that much money on a rebuild. You'd think that they wouldn't have rebuilt it to stock specs because it doesn't have stock power. However, that's what was done, and now it had failed. So I brought it into Peterborough. Those guys knew exactly what was going on. They knew exactly what to do. They knew what parts had to be purchased to handle the power that the engine's putting out. And it took them a few days to get the parts in from the States, but they've rebuilt it, and since then it's just working fantastic. It shifts good. I just can't say enough about those guys in Peterborough. I'm a licensed mechanic myself. They took me back. They showed me how they were building it, the parts that were going in, the parts that came out. They explained everything to me. There was nothing hidden. The whole time they kept me up to date. So if you have a truck with a similar issue, or you've got it tuned, you'll probably end up at the transmission shop if it's a stock tranny. But I can definitely recommend Peterborough Mr. Transmission. They are up to date on tuning, racing, and they'll get the job done for you.